Hey guys, so I've installed on Mercury one of the best inflating systems out there. First of all, I've got an ARB twin piston air compressor hidden under my seat, the passenger seat. I'll show you what it looks like. Then I've done something called a four-way air at RAMY Automotive, where you've got an air outlet above each tire, and then you plug it each outlet to the tire. And then the best part, using the ARB pressure control system, you set up what pressure you want and it just inflates automatically. Like, this is awesome. I could even deflate from the system by, let's say if my tires were 15 and I want to go to 10, I could do that. Or if my tires were 30 and I want to go to 15, I can do that. So this is what the four-way air looks like. And I've got 4 of these, one for each tire. And this is where the ARB compressor is hidden. Pretty convenient, right?